Hello, where are you now? I sent. No, 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 no. I told you today, and I'm here. You say what? Which place? Ah, oh, that's not what you said now.
Madam, good afternoon.
Eh?
Omo, I don't achieve. That man go garage, you go hole like this now. I don't see better money. Wetin be this? How far woman like this go stand beside car dey carry two? Wetin be this? 210 naira inside purse. Hey, Jesus. Wetin you wan use this one? Omo, this one na bad market. Wetin I wan use this one do? This na bad market. I think say I don achieve. I think say I don hammer like this.